mowinjore. Jotelo mag somo e kaunti ma Migori osingo mati mapedha maneno ni onge nyathi skul modong pacho mar karom juma manyien. Marie kaka director ma somo e kaunti ma Migori wacho.
I've joined the manager Equity Bank Migori branch and the panel of selectors led by the DCC, who is represented here by the SCC, to flag off 76 scholarships awarded under the Elimu scholarship. As you are aware, the government did give the Equity Bank the mandate to coordinate the selection process, and I want to take this as an opportunity to most sincerely thank the manager, the selection panel, for a job well done, because as you've seen, we have had 76 candidates benefiting under this program, and that is the number we've just flagged off. Maybe it is also important to let you know that under Equity Wings to Fly, we also did flag off 16 scholarships to beneficiaries, and yesterday the Jomo Kenyatta Foundation also, under that scholarship program, we had 74 learners benefiting, and they were flagged off yesterday. And I'm happy also to note that the Kenya Commercial Bank had also issued 24 scholarships to a number of students who benefited, and the Cooperative Bank did give 10 scholarships. So far as we speak, I'm most excited to say that 200 learners who did KCP last year have benefited under various scholarships, as I've just told you. And I want to also appeal to other well-wishers that we have many more other learners who are vulnerable in our community, who still require the support of the community. And even at the CDF, we want to call upon our members of parliament to also come in and identify those learners, so that all those learners who are bright and needy are supported to join their various institutions across the country. So I think that's it. Of course, as you are aware, the Ministry of Education, through the government capitation, the ministry gives each learner 22,244 shillings. That is money for capitation that supports tuition